Hi everyone. So today in this video I will answer a question that has been asked multiple times to me in my career as a teacher, as an educator for last 20 years. The question is, am I good enough? And that question has been asked because of a background. I have seen many students who would come and say, sir, I am a student of private medical college. I did not do so well in my pre-medical test. I am a student from a peripheral college. I am a foreign medical graduate. Am I good enough? Will I be able to do it? And I see them trapped in their past. And today I'm here in this video asking you a question. Are you a prisoner of your past? Are you a prisoner of a past mistake? And it is so interesting to know that the number of students who are affected by this syndrome are so many. I see so many of them will come and say, sir, I did not do well in the PMT test, so I believe I will not do well in the NEET PG also. While there is no such correlation. On this Dr Sethi channel, you will see so many interviews and videos of different background students. This year we had a foreign medical graduate who has done well in the NEET PG. We have a private medical college student in the top 50. There are so many examples. But then, if you are right now in the position where you are a prisoner of a past, it is going to affect your future. We have to close this circle today. And that is my purpose of this video today. I want to help you to close the circle of past mistakes. What is it that we humans are known for? We are known for our kindness. We give kindness to everybody, but why not your own self? Why can't you forgive yourself today? And write it in the chat box, write it in the comment section. Tell me that you forgive yourself for any past mistake. You have to close this circle. हो सकता है पहले आप ठीक से ना पढ़ रहे हो सकता है आपने उस समय पढ़ाई ना की हो, लेकिन आज आगे बढ़ सकते हैं if we close this circle. We close this circle by forgiving ourselves. Please write it down in the comment section so that you close this big circle. Number 2 is that although you forgive yourself, our self-confidence does not come back. We need to bring our confidence back. To get our confidence back, we need to accumulate small victories. And how do we accumulate small victories? We give tests in DAMS on our eMedicos app. After every test, after every quiz, there is a leaderboard where you see top 3 students will have their pictures featured, 4th to 10th would have their names featured, and top 100 would be there in the list featured. Try to target being in the leaderboard in the next test. You might say, sir, what difference will it make if I come into a leaderboard? You will not feel it right now, but your confidence will start coming back. More you see yourself in the leaderboard. I remember very vividly, there was a student in my class in Bangalore. I was taking a class with a student who said, sir, I am from a private college. I don't know will I be able to do it or not. And I said, why don't you give a DAMS grand test? He said, sir, I'm not prepared. I said, please give and see where you are. So this student who came to me next day after giving the grand test, he was already in the top 2000 bracket in the test. And he came to me, he said, sir, I have regained my confidence. Although I am from a private college, from a peripheral college, but I am performing good already. And he could get his study back on rhythm. Another example that comes to my mind is I was once teaching MRI in a classroom, and a student walked up to me and said, he asked me a question, and that question was very good. I have not even seen postgraduates ask such good quality questions about MRI. I appreciated him. I told him that you're doing very well, you will do well in life. I forgot about it because I teach so many students, so many classes all over the country. But later on, when I was taking his interview after getting into top 100, he remembered that incident. That is tiny victories. You need small victories in life. Small tests where you come in the leaderboard or your teacher appreciates you. All these small victories will add to massive confidence and you will get out of your one past failure. You need to seek positive examples. And I see some students will come to me and say, sir, I don't have any example in my college who has done well. But then you can look at today, the beautiful age of information technology is that there are so many interviews, so many journeys available on the YouTube channel. Why do we share interviews with toppers and high achievers on the Dr Sethi channel is to give you examples. When you look at those interviews, I have often seen that one child would identify with one particular topper or high achiever and say, "ये मेरे जैसे पढ़ रहा है." And when you identify it, you start seeking inspiration from that person. Although you don't know him, but you know him through the YouTube channel, and you seek positive examples and they become your inspiration. Like for example, you will see many people who start their enterprises, their businesses, they look at Steve Jobs as example, Bill Gates as example, and people learn even though they have not met them. They learn from their YouTube or their social media videos, and they learn from their inspirations. And final frontier to break that barrier of a past failure is change your mindset. There is actually no such thing as failure. It is only winning or learning. So whenever you give a test, you give an exam, you've given your PMT, you've given any exam in the college, and suppose you have not done well, it is not a failure, it is a learning opportunity. Try analyzing what went wrong and focus on your weaknesses. More you plug your weaknesses, more you work on your strengths, more you improve your weaknesses, you will improve a lot and you will win big. This is called as the growth mindset. In the end, I would once again request you, stop being a prisoner of a past mistake. One single bad outcome in life does not define your life. You can build a massive career here onwards if you look at the future with optimism, hope, and a growth mindset. I wish you all the best.